Good afternoon. Welcome to the Four Seasons Chicago Author Suite. Let's go take a look, shall we? As you can see, there's special features that open the doors for you automatically. Now, one of the nice things in this room is it's actually a one bedroom, and I believe it is, well, let's take a look. It is a one bedroom with a, actually what is a full bath here and shower. You'll notice that they have lavabo toiletries, which are always very nice. And this is something you could use as a powder room as well for your guests if you're hosting something, which in fact is exactly what our plan is. Now, one of the things I like in this room is, in fact, it has some lovely pieces of art and the decor is really nice. It also has nice closet if you need to take coats, safe. Now let's come take a look at the main suite area, right? So this is the author suite, and it's one of the funner suites, I think, of the Four Seasons Chicago. As you can see here, you have a great view of Lake Michigan and the Hancock Tower, and yes, it is still the Hancock Tower, Water Tower Place. And out there, if you look at Lake Michigan, you'll see everyone out on their boats today because it is a gorgeous June day. Now, this is the main living room area, and as you can see, we're getting set up for an event. So there will be some hors d'oeuvres and cheese and charcuterie. The Four Seasons also can, in fact, bring in a bar cart and staff it with a bartender, which I think that's kind of fun. Who doesn't love that, right? Now, as you can see here, we're on a corner, so we're looking at the lake. Here we look right down Michigan Avenue. So you'll see right in front of us the Park Tower, going all the way to the river. You can see the Sears Tower, and you get really great views of the city. I think really beautiful any time of day, and you know, again, sort of iconic views up Michigan Avenue. So, next up, we're going to take a look at the bedroom area. And as you can see, some nice special fun amenities, which is always nice. And this is a very comfortable king bed. And give you, again, a nice idea of these. This is a south-facing view right here. You can look all through the city over to the lake. And again, right down Michigan Avenue, right down the Mag Mile. Amazing. So we talked a little bit about art before. Again, you know, I enjoy all these prints. I think they're super fun, super nice. Everything is modern, well done. Let's see, I believe this is for service if you need things through here. That's just out to the hallway. But we'll show you some other features in a little bit. And a closet. And the bathroom area, which I think is, again, very nicely done. You'll notice, again, the lavabo, accessories, and we'll go back. So, now, as we continue on, we'll show you the rest of the room, and we'll go to the main room area. So, thank you. So this is actually the dining room area. Now this is actually, I mentioned it's the author suite, so we're set up here for a champagne reception. But one of the things that's really cool about the author suite is, in fact, you have first edition books that are often signed by the authors that stayed in here. So it's everything from popular, you know, Tom Peters and Jay Leno, all the way to more Margaret Cho, all the way to one of my favorites that caught my eye was Michael Lewis in here, who I've always been a fan of, Riccardo Muti. And again, these are generally all first editions, almost always signed by people who have stayed here and donated it. And I thought, oh, I'd take it out and open it, but in fact, it is locked. I believe the hotel will let you take a look at them, but obviously on some type of supervised basis. You'll also notice Jimmy Carter's in here, President Jimmy Carter. So, this is a great setup here if you're hosting friends, family, what have you. And you have, again, here a service area with a sink and wet bar and coffee. Now this, I'll show you a little surprise room. This is a little bit behind the house. Again, for people if they're bringing things in or what have you. So, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. And hope you've enjoyed watching. Thanks so much. And we'll finish right there. Thanks again.